Hello, sweet tooth artists and creative minds. Welcome back to our artistic haven. Today, we're indulging in a delightful drawing session as we sketch and color a mouth-watering cake, adorned with candles. Let's begin by drawing the foundation of our sugary delight, the cake. Sketch out a lovely, multi-layered cake structure. Feel free to play with shapes and sizes. After all, this is your cake creation. Now, let's add some flair. Draw delightful frosting swirls, sprinkle, patterns, and any decorations that make your cake uniquely yours. It's time to let your imagination run wild and turn this cake into a true work of art. What's a celebration without candles? Let's add some festive candles to our cake. Draw them standing tall or perhaps leaning at whimsical angles. The more candles, the more reasons to celebrate. Now comes the sweetest part, coloring our cake. Choose your favorite colors for the cake layers, frosting, and candles. Feel free to experiment with vibrant hues that make your cake burst with life and flavor. Remember, this cake is a canvas for your creativity. Don't be afraid to try new colors, patterns, and designs. It's your cake, and there's no limit to how sweet and colorful it can be. And there you have it, a delectable cake ready for any celebration. We've turned our paper into a canvas of sweetness and joy. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun and creative art tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and happy celebrations.